Hello, hello. Hello, mic testing. Hello. Please confirm if my voice is audible. Please let me know. Today we are going to start market structure. So make sure you don't miss this stream. So please confirm if my voice is audible. Voice is clear. Please confirm. Traders, please confirm if voice is audible. Anyone, please comment. Hello, bro. Hello, Pearl. Thank you for joining in. I hope you're doing good. Let's go, traders. Let's go. Let's complete 10 likes and we will start our analysis. Mohammed Shabu, thank you so much for your comment and thank you for confirming. So let's go, traders. Let's hit 10 likes and we will start our analysis. So now we will be starting our analysis, including market structure. Okay. So analysis will be super accurate and crisp. So make sure you don't miss our stream. Okay. All right. So let's complete 10 likes. So until then, let's have a look at today's new event. So today is Feb 18th, Wednesday. Okay. Let's see. So traders, as you can see over here, today we have 4 durable goods orders, building permits, housing starts, industrial production. These are all yellow folder, low impact events. And midnight, we have FOMC meeting minutes. Okay. Let's go, traders. Let's complete 10 likes. So we will start our technical analysis with market structure. Okay, traders. So again, it's going to be amazing, believe me. So make sure let's complete 10 likes first. Make sure you smash that like button. And sorry for the inconvenience, traders. I was having cold. That's why I was not available. And also I got the setup, mic, including stand and everything. Okay. So new viewers, make sure you comment. I'm reading all your comments. Okay. Okay, so what's happening over here? Let's have a look at news headlines. Okay, so as you can see, ahead of Fed minutes. Okay, So this Fed minutes is really important. Okay, traders, you can see over here FOMC meeting minutes. Okay, so this is very super important. And what else we have? Let's see. So as you can see, traders, over here, let's go, traders. Let's complete 10 likes and then we will start our technical. So as you can see over here, JP Morgan says there's a case against the gold rally continuing. Okay, gold's pullback is a reset, not the end of the metals market. African Pacific Sea, as you can see over here, very powerful. Gold's pullback is a reset, not the end of the metals bull market. Right, we have anything here? Just let me know, traders, if we have any problem with the sound. Okay, so just let me know, I will immediately fix it. Okay, so as you can see, traders, overall US market is positive as of now. Let's go, traders. Only 2 likes to go. Let's complete 10 likes and we will start our technical analysis. Okay, so we have 4 charts. Sound is low. Brother, make sure your device volume is good. Okay, so make sure you increase your device volume. Let's go, traders. Only 2 likes to go. Complete 2 likes, complete total 10 likes, and then we will start our technical analysis. Okay, so we have 4 charts over here. Okay, so first of all, understand this setup. The first one is MS, that is market structure. Okay, the first one is MS, market structure, and this chart is precious pips 1, number 1. This is just for supply demand. Okay, this is just for supply and demand, and this is PP2. This is PP2. Okay, precious pips 2, number 2. So this is just for free hand. This is just for free hand. Okay, so we don't need anything over here, just simple clear chart. Wait with us. This is our psychological levels. So I already have a video on this strategy. Okay, so you can check out my channel. So let's go, traders. Let's complete 10 likes. We will start our technical analysis. Okay, so as you can see, this is the weekly chart. Now we will be starting our technical analysis from the weekly chart. Okay, right, let's go, traders. Let's start with our technical analysis. Okay, okay, so in the weekly time frame, as you can see, this is gold. After this breakout, okay, after this breakout, gold never look back. Okay, gold is continuously bullish. Okay, traders, this is in the weekly time frame. All right, thank you so much for the 11 likes, traders. Love you so much. Thank you. Just confirm, please reconfirm if my voice is audible, loud and clear. Please confirm, traders. Okay, so as you can see, traders, after this breakout, okay, after this breakout, from almost after this, you remember this consolidation. After this consolidation, gold never looked back. Loud and clear. Okay, thank you, Mohammed Shabu, for confirming. Thank you so much for your comment. Okay, traders. So as you can see, this is the weekly chart, and gold is super bullish. Okay, so let me tell you, market works in a structure. Okay, there's always structures. So if you focus on market structures, which is 100% mechanical. Okay, so this is 100% mechanical. So if you follow market structure, so we can get accuracy of 60 to 70%. Okay, if we properly follow market structure. Okay, traders. So that's what we are going to do. It's thank you. Okay, thank you for confirming, brother. All right, traders. So that's what we are going to do. We are going to start with market structure. Okay. So now, as you can see, traders, this is the chart. Now, all this data, okay, all this data is unnecessary for us if we are intraday traders. Okay, so if we are intraday traders, this much past data is unnecessary for us. Okay, so we only need the latest swing. Okay, so we only need the latest swing. What is the latest swing over here? You can see this was the breakout. Okay, so this was the break of structure, and here we have our swing. Okay, traders, so let's draw this swing. Keep it to. Okay, traders, so this is our lower high and this is our higher high. Okay, so market is consistently making lower low, higher highs. Okay, market is continuously in a bullish direction. Okay, so now all this past data is not very important for us when we are working as an intraday trader. Okay, so this all data is useful for swing traders, those who are holding for 6 months, 1 year, 5 years, 10 years. It's all useful for swing traders. Okay, so when we are intraday traders, we only need the latest swing, the higher time frame. Okay, all right, so we got a swing. Okay, so this is our swing, and the main point, this is, we use Fibonacci from here. So as you can see, traders, market already jumped from the optimal level. Okay, so as you can see, this is, sorry, this is 50%. Okay, this is 50% of that swing. As you can see, market already tapped from optimal entry. Okay, traders, this is very important. So anytime soon, market can continue. Okay, but this is now one story. Okay, so this story is now first chapter 1. Okay, this is in the weekly time frame. So now let's move on to the daily time frame. So make sure, traders, you smash that like button. Let's go. So here we go. So this is our swing in the weekly time frame. This is how it looks in the daily time frame. Okay, so now let's identify how many swings are there in this daily time frame. Okay, all right, so first swing that we see is this swing. Okay, so as you can see, this was a clear break of structure. Okay, again, traders, I'm not interested in this data as of now. Okay, as of now, I'm not interested in the past data. Okay, traders, because that will just confuse me. Okay, this is not necessary. This is all extra effort. Okay, so I am just doing the smart work. Okay, I am an intraday trader. This is my weekly range. Okay, so this is my weekly range, and already I have a clue that the weekly time frame market already took a bullish support from the 70% optimal entry level. Okay, 78%. Already, as you can see, we got a bullish move. Okay, traders. So make sure, traders, you smash that like button. We need more viewers. Okay. All right. So here, as you can see, traders, we have this first swing. Okay, I'll keep the color same. Okay, keep the color same. So traders, as you can see, this was the break of structure. Okay, was the break of structure. Have patience, traders. Okay, so we will be also doing the whole 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes time frame. So have patience. Okay, so if you have any doubts, so feel free to ask. Okay, please comment. Reading all the comments. Okay, all right, traders. So this is our first break of structure. You can see this is in our range. We are considering the swing. Okay, this retracement was of okay, considerable problem. All right, traders. So this is our second swing. Okay, so within that weekly swing, what we have is we have two daily swings. Okay, so two daily swings. Got it, traders? Any doubts, any queries, please feel free to comment. Okay, I will explain you each and everything in detail. Okay, so in the daily time frame, as you can see, was also the break and retest level. This is just for extra confluence. Okay, nothing else. So this is just a basic concept. Whenever price break past a resistance, okay, so that resistance turns support, and we are talking in the daily time frame. Daily time frame, the bigger the candle, bigger the time frame, so more the powerful analysis. All right, so as you can see here, we had one more break and retest zone. This was the basement after the breakout, retracement, then continuation. Okay, so as you can see, market took that daily demand. Market is slowly proceeding side direction. Okay, okay, traders, clear. So any queries, please let me know in the comment section, and make sure you smash that like button. Okay, so I'll delete this. Okay, but you guys remember this. Okay, so this is very important. We got a clue, so let's vision that forget. Okay, traders, this is our weekly swing. Okay, so please note this weekly time frame. This was the weekly swing, and also we got that clue that market took retracement from the exact optimal entry level. Okay, traders, this is number one. This is the daily. So in the daily time frame, you can see this was the first swing, was the second swing. Okay, so in the second swing, you can see markets already that demand. Use Fibonacci here. Okay, as you can see below the optimal entry zone, the very extreme zone. Okay, the very extreme zone, because we already had that demand zones. Okay, filling all the zones, it started moving bullish direction. Okay, traders, let's delete this and let's move on to 4 hours time frame. So what I'll be doing is I'll be locking this. Okay, doesn't. Okay, traders, now this is locked. Okay, I wanted to delete this. Okay, so now can I delete this? Got it? Got the logic? Okay, you got the logic of this move, this bullish move. Now I will be deleting. All right, now let's move on to 4 hours time frame, and then we will be going on to daily time frame. Okay, traders, so now again, as you can see, this is not necessary for me as of now, because price is moving in this range. Okay, traders, price is moving in this range, so this is not very much necessary. Okay, so any new viewers, if you started watching just now, so please let me know in the comment section. If you don't understand anything, uh, we'll do a quick revision. Okay, okay, traders, so as you can see now, these are the daily two. Okay, so these are the daily two, and this is the whole weekly swing that we are operating in. Swing. Okay, all right, traders, so now we will be focusing on this swing. Okay, because the price is here, we will be focusing on this swing. Okay, so this is, as of now, this is unnecessary. Okay, this swing, daily swing, will be unnecessary for me. This will be extra effort. Okay, we'll mark 4 hour swings this daily range. Okay, traders, let's start marking 4 hour. Okay, in this daily range. This is our first swing. Clear break of structure. After the breakout, retest, again continue. Okay, this is perfect break of structure. Let's mark our first. Okay, traders, so this is our first swing. Should I keep this color? Okay, let's keep this yellow. This is the 4 hour time frame. Okay, okay, so now as you can see, traders, after this retracement, we got another break of structure. Okay, with gap up. Okay, so let's mark second, and obviously third one is this. Okay, after this retracement, so what we can do is we can always calculate the retracement. Okay, here it is 1000 pips, here it's 1300 pips. Okay, so that way you can work on with Okay, this is, make sure traders you smash that like button. Let's go traders. We need to reach out more viewers who are making losses. Okay, so this is done. Also, we have the coming new, okay, traders, range folder for durable goods. Okay, so within exact 51 minutes there, we need to complete this fast. Okay traders, so you see how there are 4 swings in a daily. Okay, there are 4 swings, 4-hour time frame. That's daily single. Here as you can see, this straight sell move, straight sell move. Keep this. Now what's happening? As you can see, first, second, okay, 2 swings done. Things already done. This is not yet closed below level. Okay, so this swing is still intact. This was a liquidity hunt. Wait with us. All right. So now you can see as of now in the 4 hours time frame, market already took 2 swings. Okay, market already took 2 swings. Now we are working this the 4 hours time frame. Got it? Please, any doubts, any queries, please let me know in the comment section. Any doubts, any queries, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, so now we are working in this swing. Okay, from exact 50% range, sorry, percent magic range, are retracing back. Okay, retracing back towards swing low. Okay, so this is the low. Technically, price must retrace back to swing low, breaking this and creating lower lows. But we saw in the daily and weekly time frame, wait with us. So as we saw in the daily and the weekly time frame, this is weekly. Okay? So this is the weekly range, and already market took that optimal zone entry, and the market is moving upside. Okay, so until and unless the weekly time frame we don't break this level, okay, so visually no. So as you can see traders, 39283886. Okay, until and unless we don't break this, continue. That too, we need a body below, body closing below this. Okay, below this low. This is from the weekly perspective. This is from the weekly perspective. The daily perspective, as you can see traders, this is our daily swing that we are focusing. Okay, inside everything is 4 hours. Okay, internal. Now for the daily bearish structure, need at least breakout of this level. Okay, I need at least the breakout of this level, 4300 level. Okay, be precise, this 4300 level. At least we need a breakout of this level. Consider market bearish. Okay, in the daily time frame. Okay, traders, from the daily time frame perspective. All right, so let's move on to the 4-hour time frame. Let's complete it fast. Okay, traders. So once we do it, so regularly we can just update. Okay, traders. So once we do it, we do all the markings, and visually, as you can see, traders, looks beautiful. Okay, so this is the whole weekly range, bullish range. Okay, this is the whole daily range that we are working in, and in that daily range we are working this 4-hour structure or swing, and that too rejecting from the 60% magic level. Okay, so that's how we build the narrative. Okay, so in the weekly time frame, price already took that demand from the optimal entry. Okay, and for the weekly bearish, we need breakout below this. For the daily bearish, we need breakout below this. Okay, so then only, if you want to work mechanically, all you need to follow market structures. Okay, 60 to 70% of the times you will make profits. Okay, this is for sure. Okay, traders, so all you need to do is you need to follow market structure. Okay, traders, so now this is the 4-hour time frame. Now we will be moving 15-minute time frame. Okay, so now in the 4-hour time frame we are working in this swing. Okay, are working in this swing. This is the low swing, and as of now we are following this 60% Fibonacci magic level. Now let's see what's happening in the 15 minutes. Deeper we go, okay, so the more and more clues we get. Okay, traders, what I'm gonna do is, this is the daily weekly level, so I'll keep it short. Okay, traders, I'll keep it short. Okay, like this. Sanjay, hello brother, hello. I hope you're doing good. Okay, traders, so this is how it looks. Okay, so this is the weekly level. Okay, weekly level, so I am just keeping it for visual reference. Okay, so now this is the daily range which we are working. In that daily range, we are working in this sell swing. Okay, we are rejecting from that 60% magic Fibonacci magic level. Okay, now let's start our analysis on 15 minutes. Now you will see the picture in detail. Okay, traders. So again, as you can see, traders, this all data is unnecessary for. As of now, price is here. Okay, so all I need is this data. Okay, traders, all I need is 4-hour swing. Okay, still I'll show you how the market came in swings, how many swings. I'll show you each and everything, and also I'll be doing the latest marking. Okay, this is the latest marking, so I'll be doing this too. So make sure you smash that like button, traders. Let's go. Let's complete 15 likes. Let's go, traders. All right, so this was the swing. Okay, this was the swing which took bullish swing. Okay, two bullish, and currently market is expecting this bearish zone 60% fib level. Okay, so until here, so you always remember the weekly and the daily perspective. Okay, 4 hour is a necessary, I mean, it's necessity for us on a daily basis. Get with us. All right, so let's start marking this range. Okay, so how the market crashed. Let's mark this. Get with us. So obviously this is our first move. So again, this all this data I'm not marking. I can do all the marking, but that's just unnecessary for us. Okay, so learning purpose we will be doing in our private sessions. Okay, I mean the learning sessions we'll be doing, covering that in learning session. This is the 4 hour range. This is our first move. Okay, so color will blue, dark blue. Okay, so we understand that this is 15 minutes. As you can see, this is the N move. Okay, leg. This is the fifth leg. Okay, you can see it as this was okay candle close, and was the final. All right, traders. Okay, so as you can see, traders, the 15-minute time frame, and in that 4 hour swing, 1 5. Okay, so once you know the market structure, okay, once you understand the market structure, and you are able to identify, able to identify the swings. Okay, so will be always able to catch that sniper move. You always be able to catch the sniper moves. Market will be moving from the Fibonacci level or supply here. Okay, so this is just a simple breakout level. Market was taking little support, breakout, retest, continue. Okay, so let's check the Fibonacci. As you can see, it is pinpoint optimal entry zone. Okay, also this was in confluence that breakout zone. Okay, this way market works. Once you know market structure, everything will be easy for you. Okay, same way this move. Okay, until and unless we don't break this low. Okay, so don't close below this body closing until and unless this swing is not valid. Okay, as you can see, we got the breakout, and as you can see, this was a very important level. Market support, then the breakout. Okay, so this was the swing. Actually was the swing, so we were waiting for that 50% level or that optimal entry zone, but the market had other count. Market pushed right from this range. All right, traders. So anyone watching, new viewers, please let me know in the comment section. Let's go, traders. At least say hi to me. Let's go. Okay, traders. I hope are getting everything. Okay, so this way market works. Now, what's happening here? Okay, so that is very important. What's happening? Please say hi to me, traders. Let's go. Okay, so let's start here now. All right, this is our first swing. So as you can see, traders, this was break of structure. Okay, beautiful retracement, then a continuation. Okay, this is our first swing. This is bullish swing. Okay? Bullish swing. See our second swing. Obviously, this is our third swing. Final swing. Got it, traders? Market move. Now again, in the 4-hour time frame, we cannot mark this. Okay, so we cannot mark this. This is the reaction from this selling pressure. Okay, so obviously, whenever the market breaks structure, market retraces back, again continue. Okay, trapping, trapping buyers, again continue. Trapping buyers, again continue. Okay, if the market wants to continue this sell swing, but also have some other confluence weekly, daily. Okay, so that we already discussed earlier. Okay, all right. So okay, I want this. Okay, so as you can see, market pushed from here. Okay, so this was the change of character, breaking the last swing. Change of it, same 50%. It took market the same way you can learning, same way you can use check each and every was 38%. Okay, so we are using Fibonacci just for retracement, that retracement. Okay, we can keep a track. All right, traders, so this is done. So we already know. Okay, so we already know that market is in a retracement move. Okay, so market is in retracement, so we are not buying aggressive with us after this change of character. Hello. Okay, just a technical issue. Okay. So traders, as you can see, we already know that market at some point, okay, after this 4 hour bearish move, okay, after this 4 hour bearish move, I hope I'm audible. Just a moment, bro. Just a moment. Scene dynamic. Just a moment. We discussing it. Now we are doing the latest analysis. Okay, just hold on tight. Okay, traders. So as you can see in this bearish range, we already know that market at some point start making bearish moves. Okay, so our bearish move is our actual intention as per technical 4 hours time frame. Okay, but we have already discussed in daily and weekly things are different. Okay, so that way we need to get with us. So that's how market traps us. So now let's continue. Okay, so here we can see traders was the range. We got a breakout. Okay, so again you can see here we did not get that breakout. We got the breakout here. Our this is our new, sorry, this is because was not able to break past, why this is our true range. Okay, and this is the highest point from that breakout. Okay, so that's our actual. So make sure traders you smash that like button. Let's go traders, let's complete 20 likes. Okay, so again as you can see, good retracement. Okay, able to fail actual, inviting some buyers, creating original move. This is second swing. Okay traders, so this is the second swing. Okay, two swings, but again market not break past the lower low. Okay, I mean this low, this is the 4 hour swing low. Okay, market did not break this because we already saw what's happening daily and the weekly time frame. Okay, so we already are aware now. Okay, so we already are aware that this selling will not last much long. Okay, we are pretty sure about that. Okay traders, now as you can see, after retracing exactly from 60% level, magic level, market wanted to break this if market was bearish. Okay, straightforward market need to break this. And also as you can see traders, this we have already marked daily level. The daily level, if you want market be bearish from the daily perspective, this is our level. Hope you drawn it in front of you. This is the daily swing. So at least we need a breakout below this. Okay, we need a breakout below this candle closing in the 4 hour time frame and also proceeding towards breaking this. Okay, so then only I'll be super confirmed that yes, the market has started bearish direction now. Okay, so again after this breakout, okay, so just imagine after this breakout, if the market breaks below, okay, the market breaks below, then also market is not bearish now. Okay, so we need to wait for that retracement. Market will again retrace and then again continue. Okay, so you always remember the retracement and in which swing or in which market structure, bearish, bullish. Okay, what is going on? Need to know the context. Okay, so now we'll continue this. Okay, so I hope you are understanding everything in dynamics. I hope you're watching. Okay, so now I'll be clearing your doubt. Okay, so we will be reaching here now very soon. Just hold on a few minutes. Okay, so now you got it. Okay, so as you can see now, this was our previous swing, and after this retracement, we are hoping that the market will continue. Okay, we were hoping that the market will, but market did is market did a change of character. Wait, videos. Market gave us a change of character. This is our first swing of the bullish move. Okay, so this is the first swing, and after this first swing, market gave us little to no retracement. Okay, but that's considerable. At this, calculate from here. Okay, traders. So this was the second move. Okay, this was the second move. As you can see, traders, exact optimal entry zone. It continues. Okay, that means this swing is holding. I mean, this swing was holding. Okay. Hello, Namzi brother. I was having cold, brother. I was having cold. Also, I got the mic and stand and all those things. Okay, so now I am quite comfortable. Yeah, brother. Everything's good. Everything good. So you can just replay our stream and you can just check out from the weekly perspective. Okay, weekly, daily, 4 hour. All right, traders. So as you can see, market started moving up from the exact optimal entry zone. So this is our get with us. Understood? Any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Please, with us, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so now after this, what? Breaking two structures. Okay, breaking two structures, indicating bearishness. Again, as you can see, after this touch, this is the 60% magic level from the 4 hour perspective. Okay, from the 4 hour perspective. This is the one. that break in the 4-hour time frame. Okay, traders. So this is the 60%. Show you once again. Okay, traders. So as you can see, 60%. And we are predicting that level. But the daily and the weekly time frame I have already explained you. Okay, so the last time I'm telling you. So as you can see, traders, this is the swing. So again, we will be discussing this daily basis. Okay, so if you are watching our stream on a regular basis, so we will be discussing each and everything daily basis. Okay, so we don't miss out on any. Okay, traders. So now today, this is the last time I'm telling. Okay, traders, you can see this is the weekly swing that we are working. Already weekly swing took a resistance. Took a rejection, exact optimal entry, exact pinpoint 70%. So weekly is suggesting the same way within that big weekly range we have daily swing. Okay, so this is the first one. Get with us. What's happening over here? As you can see, daily time frame also, this is the current swing that we are following. Market took demand from the optimal end. Okay, almost below that optimal entry, taking demand from. Okay, so this is the demand, taking that demand and action. Okay, the 4-hour time frame, that means weekly and daily is bullish. Okay, traders, are you getting each and everything? Please let me know in the comment section. Let's complete 20 likes, traders. Let's go. Smash that like button, traders. So today is just a rehearsal stream. Okay, traders. Before, at the very beginning of the US session, so I'll be this stream. So from tomorrow onwards, we'll be doing long stream. Okay, so also soon I'm going to introduce BTC also. Okay, so same market structure, same each and everything will do. Okay, so make sure you smash that like button, traders. All you need to do is support me. Okay, traders, so this is the 4-hour scenario. 4-hour is showing retracement for the retracement from this fib level. Okay, traders, 4 hours is retracement this fib level. We already know that in the weekly and in the daily time frame, market is bullish, super bullish. Okay, and also I have already explained you the probability for market being bullish, bearish. So this is the swing. So we need the breakout of this swing first. This is swing from the daily. This is swing weekly. So at least I'm looking to forward market to break this at least. Okay, after breaking this swing, after a little retracement, we need to break this, and then only we can consider some bearish movement the gold. Okay, on a daily time frame, daily perspective. Okay, traders, so I'm talking about daily perspective. Please don't get me wrong, I'm talking about daily perspective. Who you want? So here, as you can see, this is our daily swing. So in the daily time frame, I just want price to break this. Just want price to break this. Suppose like this, then a retracement, and then a continuation. Okay, with us. So that way market works. Now we will be completing our final 15 minutes. So as you can see, traders, after this swings, okay, we got bearish move, breaking two swings again. Okay, and same way like in the 4 hours time frame, as you can see, we that resist supply. Let's see supply. Accurate. So as you can see, traders, we took that resistance same 20 optimal zone. Okay, so what we did is delete this. As you can see, traders, after placement, so as you can see that supply in this. Okay, so this retracement, then we break past this level here, where we got the exact breakout. So as you can see, traders, was not actual breakout. This was the actual. Okay, so now what is our latest swing? Okay, this is our latest swing. We are working. Okay. But again, one thing to remember, traders, okay, in the daily time frame, the daily time, this is our swing. Okay. This is our market already took demand from here. Market is continuing. Yes, this retracement is there because we have a bearish 4-hour swing. In that swing we are operating. So until and unless we don't break this, we are not bearish. Okay, the daily and the weekly perspective, we are bullish. Get with us. Come back to 15 minutes. Now what we are expecting, what expecting, so now we already know, traders, that market is, you know, bullish, kind of bullish. Okay, but we are respecting 4-hour structure. Okay, so we are respecting this 4-hour structure. This is the structure for our structure. Okay, so we are simply respecting the Fibonacci. Okay, but we already know that this is the retracement daily time frame as well as in the weekly time frame. Okay, so 70% optimal, already got the retracement. The daily and the weekly time frame, we are let's see different. Yeah, this is the daily time frame. After this beautiful bullish move, got a correction. Okay, and the market is continuing upside. So we are not sure that the market will break past today, tomorrow, or these upcoming weeks. Okay, so market may hover around in region for some time. Okay, so maybe 1 month, 2 months, okay, 3 months. We don't know because already, as you can see, traders, market is, you know, already made big moves at the starting of the 2026. Okay, so market is a little bit exhausted and now market is cooling off period. Okay, readers, so now just understand, those who are trading gold, specifically gold, so you need to focus on small move. Okay, so at least for this month, at least for this Feb month, don't consider big moves. Okay, like I just want to catch 1,000 pips, I just want to catch 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 pips. Don't be like that. Focus on small profits. Okay, so focus on small profits because market will be you know, market will be drifting up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, So market will be trapping both buyers and sellers. Okay, traders, because weekly and daily perspective is bullish, but it's just no, we are following this 4-hour structure. Okay, traders. So as you can see, this was up move retracement. Okay, again some up move, but no continuation. Okay, so now as of today, this is the that we are working in. We have refined this from the weekly perspective. Very important. As you can see, we have two levels of the 60% level of 20%. Okay, I'll delete the fib. Okay, so now what are our expectations? So the problem is, traders, already we took resistance 2 times. Okay, so that is not good. I'm talking about this swing, talking about this 4 hour swing. Okay, so this level already hold price 2 times. Again, it's can see it again, it's hold. One time, this is holding. This level is holding. So usually, what happens if the price wants to continue? What it's going to do is after hitting the exact level, 60%, 70%, or the exact extreme supply, what market will do is market will go down and make lower low. Okay, indicating that I'm bearish. Okay, so but in this case, that's not exactly what happened. Okay, so we are just hovering around this range. Okay, so yeah, just hovering around this range. So also we have the 70% level also over here. So now, as of now, you can see traders, we are working in this swing. And if the market wants to go bullish, then at least we need the breakout of this high. Okay, what could happen is bullish scenario. Market is going up after some rejection, because these are the levels 60% and 70% level of this swing. Okay, little bit basement, inviting the sellers, and market break this. Okay, breaking this structure. And remember, this will be your swing. Okay, and again the market, after creating a new higher high, it will return back, then continue. Okay, so you always remember traders. Okay, so after the breakout, don't really fall for that trap. Okay, directly buying here. You always mark your swing. After marking your swing, market will give you retracement from the available levels over here. Let it be hand levels and Fibonacci levels, any other confluences. Then we can plan buying from this range. Okay, so second scenario, sell side scenario. What the market can do is, these are the what market can do is, it can come back, break this level. Okay, so if the market is bearish, so here if we break past about this, mark this in the 15 minutes. If we break past about this, then only we get a change of character. Okay, traders, then only we get a change of character. Of now, as you can see, this is the 60% level, 50%, 60%, 70% Fibonacci. Once again, I'll show like this. 3% level, as you can see, little bit. What exactly? Okay. Exactly, it's front of you. You can see exactly 50 sellers, top hunt, again continue. Okay, so this was the first reaction. Okay, but from the daily and weekly perspective, we already know things are different. Get with us. Things are any time market could reverse. Okay, or else the probability number three told you already, it could moving sideways for some time. Okay, so 1 month, 3 months, we don't know today. Okay, that is why this range don't expect big move. I'll provide for you. Market has so this is just price respecting the 4 hour fish move. Okay, but in the daily swing, when you see daily swing, daily candle, market already demand demand. Market is slowly continuing upside. Okay, so as you can see from the start of 2026, market already gave blast. Okay, market is now in period. Okay, it is cooling off. Maybe market continues sideways like this for the upcoming months. Feb month is fixed, be March and April. Okay, so then we start to money coming in. Get with this scenario. All right, so this is done. So on a regular basis, now you see traders from basic, I mean from the beginning, the weekly from starting from weekly and set up on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, traders. So once we start following this, then definitely we will be getting accuracy of 60%. Okay, so that will be a lot of profits for me as well. Okay, traders. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and make sure you smash that like button for it. I'll be streaming on a regular basis. Okay, traders. So today this was just a rehearsal stream. Okay. So within some time I'll be ending this stream. So this was just introduction to the market structure. Okay. And you will see the magic in the upcoming days. So what is your view, traders? Let's go. So what is your view? Just let me know. Let's go, traders. Let's smash 20 likes. Let's go, traders. Let's smash 20 likes so other traders also get help. So we don't have any paid programs. Okay, so all we have is free. If you want to join our community, so you can make sure you join our Telegram channel. Link is in the description. So I'll take a quick 5 minutes break and then we will do analysis on the second chart. Okay. So we will be doing analysis on the second chart. Also within 2 minutes, we have news. Okay, so we have this orange folder news event. Okay, so as you can see, 4 durable goods orders, this is building permits, housing starts. Okay, so 2 orange folder and 2 yellow folder news events. Okay, so here's the timer. This is the pre-US session. So within half an hour, US session will open. Okay, so until then I am with you guys, and then after that I'll be ending the stream. Okay, traders, so from tomorrow onwards we'll be having a big stream, so covering each and everything. Okay, so this is the basic that we completed today, market structure. Okay, so That way we don't have to do it again and again. Okay, so I can explain you like this. I don't have to do it again and again. Okay, so we can keep on updating this. This is our one chart, that is structure. Okay, our second chart, this one PP2, our psychological levels, I have already updated. Okay, this strategy I've already updated in our channel, so check out that strategy. So this is a very beautiful strategy. Okay, so you can make use of it. Okay, so this is just a freelance. Okay, one is for freelance and one is for supply and demand. Okay, so other analysis. One is just freehand, sorry, not freelance, it's just freehand. Okay, so we will be not marking anything on this chart. We will be keeping it clean. Let's go to this. Let's complete 20 likes and we will start supply and demand analysis. Let's go. Let's go traders. Let's go complete 20 likes. We will start our supply demand analysis. Okay, I hope you got each and everything now. Let's go traders. Let's go smash 20 likes. We will start our supply demand analysis, and also please give me a 5 minutes break. Be back. Let's check out what's the new outcome. So as you can see, traders, core durable goods orders positive, 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 positive. Okay, so everything is positive for dollars. That means negative news for gold. Let's see what happens. Don't enter anywhere. So we do work on supply demand and we work on other levels. So I'll be back within 5 minutes. So make sure you complete 20 likes. traders. Let's check out fractal structures. Fractal. Okay, traders. So in the fractal structures, as you can see, was the swing. Okay, so we got a breakout, and now this is our swing actually. Okay, two swings. This was the last down move. Okay, this is in the 5 minutes time frame. So market has to retrace back, then continue. Okay, I've explained you weekly, daily, and all the perspective. Okay, traders. Now don't get confused. And this is 60% and 60% optimal entry of this 15 minute. Okay, of this 15 minutes. In that 15 minutes, that 15-minute swing, what we saw was the last solid swing. Okay, gave a breakout this level. Just to identify, okay, I'm going to hit this. Now, as you can see, happened. It passed. Okay, so you can see how market cleverly built liquidity here. Okay, now what are the probabilities? Now our actual swing is okay as of now. Now market can make it with this possibility. Market could be high and then come to okay. So as of 15 minutes, as you can see, we are in downtrend. We are expecting a bearish move from here. Okay, so this is the 60% expecting a bearish move from here, but we have some difference daily and the weekly time frame. Okay, I hope you're aware of it. And in the off of that 15 minutes, okay, off of that 15 minutes, the 5 minutes time frame, we saw a change of character. Okay, we saw a change of character, and our latest swing 5 minutes is this one. Okay, so we are expecting for a retracement and a continue. Okay, traders. Okay, market can retrace here, here, here also. Okay, and again we are looking for a continuation. If we don't break this, okay, if we don't break this, market comes down and break this, then can continue downward. Okay, so after breaking this, wait for retracement. Market will back again, then continue. Okay, so we saw some different scenarios in daily and weekly time frame. That is why we are not confirmed of this bearish trend. Okay, All right, so now let's move on to our supply and demand and have some. Here you can see to this simple supply level. Market is okay. Full supply market expecting for our time. We have that breakout level. It does breakout. It sustained on the same level with continuation, down break, retracement, again continue, again rejection. Okay, this is a pure supply region. The market needs to, okay, then only can see pure bullish gold. Let's complete 20 likes today. Let's go. Okay, so let's start from 4 hours. Everything is a supply area. 4 hours time. This is the demand. Any doubts, traders? Please let me know. Any doubts? Something you don't understand? Feel free to ask. Let's go. Feel free to comment. Getting each and everything. And do you like this way of market structure? Was I able to understand each and everything in detail? Please let me know. Believe me, traders, this itself will make you profitable. Okay, 60 to 70. And rest we have a lot of confluence. So today we did not mark our supply demand strategy. Okay, so because today was a rehearsal day, so from tomorrow onwards we will be marking our supply and demand. Okay, today was the introduction to market structure. So as you can see, traders, I already told you this 15-minute thing exactly from the market is moving. That means our markings are correct. Okay, our markings are precise. But in the 5 minutes time frame, I already shown you. Okay, in the 5 minutes time frame, this was swing. Okay, was the final very swing, and this was change of character. Okay, the 5 minutes time frame market gave us a change of character. Okay, so you can note it down. Okay, with us, so you can note it down. The 15 minutes time frame, okay, market gave a very swing. Okay, and from the 4 hour perspective, the 4 hour perspective, we are following this retracement. Okay, but we know that this retracement not last long. Okay, because we saw some the confirmations in the daily and the weekly time frame. Okay, so obviously the more the powerful the time frame, accurate the analysis. Okay, so if daily and weekly is showing some this this might be a trap. Okay, 4 hourly is smaller than the weekly and the daily. This might be a trap. Okay, traders always need. Okay, so now from the 15-minute swing, you can see market gave us a change of character. This is a fractal change of character. Okay, so when will be the original change of character take place? After breaking this. Okay, after breaking this. After breaking this. Okay, after breaking this, our change of character will be confirmed in the 15 minutes. Okay, but in the 5 minutes, as you can see, we got change of character here. Okay, now market is coming to trace. Okay, so retrace from this swing. Okay, so this is the swing I have already shown you. So now once we know that, let's our supply and analysis in short so that you understand each and. So first thing first, what we're going to do is we will mark our liquidity level, buy side, mark this for sell side, and this is also buy side. Okay, this sell side, mark this. Let's go traders, let's complete 20 likes. Let's go traders, let's go. All right, done. Right, traders. This is what we have. Okay, so what's our swing? So we will mark our swing 10 minutes, previous swing, this swing. The 5 minutes time frame, it gave a change of this our current swing. What we are expecting as of 5 minutes. Okay, this is a 5 minutes. 15 minutes is indicating bearish, okay, bearish swing. But remember the daily and the weekly. Okay, so that is why I'm telling you don't expect big profits gold. Okay, for few days. If you want to survive in the market, don't expect big momentums, don't be greedy. Okay, so we don't know the actual trend yet. So as you can see, daily bullish, okay, weekly bullish, 4 hourly is bearish, okay, downtrend, bearish, bullish, okay, uptrend. 4 hour is bearish, 15 minutes of now is bearish. Okay, so these two are the boss. Okay, so these two are the boss. That is why our view is bullish. Okay, and I also told you today when our view will become bearish. Okay, so tomorrow I will once again explain you each and everything. So I don't want to put everything on you in one day. Okay, so we'll get confused. Tomorrow once again we'll do each and everything. Okay, so tomorrow our stream will be early little bit, Make sure tomorrow also you join and support me. So those who haven't liked, make sure you smash that like button. Let's go, traders. At least complete 20 likes. Let's go. Okay, so as of now, what we are doing is we are in this 5 minutes structure. Okay, and we are currently expecting 60% off of that 15 minutes bearish range. Okay, this is the 15 minutes bearish range. Off of that 15 minutes bearish range, so as you can see, this is some breakout level, easy level. Market was breakout, and in the market has to respect and in confluence with 60% level. I already told you, traders, this is happening. That means our prediction of analysis accurate, markings are accurate. All right, so I have already told you, I've also told you that this is the 5 minute swing that we are following. Okay, so this is the 5 minute swing, and as you can see, traders, market already gave us break of structure, change of character for the upside indication. Okay, so if you're not breaking this, you're not breaking this, holding this, okay, we have opportunity. The 15 hours, 5 minutes. If we are not breaking this swings, then this might be the area, okay, of that up move. Breaking this, your target will be this. Okay, so you mark your targets, traders, serious traders, those who believe me, I'll let you know. Mark your targets. Okay, so keep this chart of my analysis different. Okay, you work on with your regular chart. Okay, traders, keep all my markings different. Okay, so what we are targeting, first we will be targeting our target. So when you are planning discount levels, okay, so below this is discount level, 5 minute swing, you can plan buy entries here. Okay, also if we are not breaking this, we are holding these two, then only our buying plan will be successful and we have a huge risk reward. Okay, so this will be a beautiful trade here, as you can see, beautiful risk reward, beautiful discount zone. Okay, only if we are holding this, it is only if we are holding this. What this will decide in coming minutes. Okay, so do you guys want a second stream 12:30? Let me know, Twitter. Let me know. Please let me know if you want a second stream covering this FOMC thing. Please let me know. Okay, traders. So let's complete 20 likes. Let's go, traders. So I have to go out. Okay. So I already told you, traders. First session opening this stream. So make sure you complete 20 likes. Let's go, traders. Do you want me to cover this FOMC minute? Please let me know. Top being formed here. Bottom also we have some liquidities here. We have liquidity here. We have top form here. Okay, so mark each and every. So this is our wave being high. Keep this back. this is the swing high and this is the swing low. Okay, and also in the 5 minutes time frame, already got a change of character. Okay, so got a change of character. So this is the wave, and after a retreat, we have chances until here. Okay, so maybe the market liquidating this. Okay, not closing below this 15 minute swing, liquidating this, and then market might continue, or else market might continue level also, breakout level again market comes upside moves. Okay, but as per the 5 minutes, now we are bullish. Okay, so as per the 5 minutes we are bullish, and also in the weekly time frame, I'll write it down over here one time. Oh, weekly bullish. Okay, weekly is bullish. Okay, our saw 4 hours. We are expecting this 4 hour zone. Okay, zone. That means still sellers are intact. Okay, still sellers are intact. Right. 15. Bearish. Okay, 15 minutes bearish. Magic level off of that 4 hour level. Okay, okay. From there, this was the change of character. Okay, now as per 15 minutes, we are expecting this is the 50%, 70% off of that 15. Okay, so you can mark like this. So what are the expectations actually as per the 4 hour and 15 minutes? Market this, okay, for low, but the daily and the weekly time frame already, and in the 5 minute. Okay, traders, got it. Okay, so this is the scene. Okay, so weekly is bullish, daily is bullish, for hourly is bearish, 15 minute is bearish, and 5 minute is. So now this will be the sniper entry. Market is going to plan from this range. This will be a sniper entry. The first target will be this. Okay, so what will be really good. Okay, traders. So please comment if anyone wants me to cover the FOMC minutes. Please confirm. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, brother, I'll try to cover. So this is a good level, the 1 hour time frame. So as you can see, traders, in the 1 hour time frame, after this breakout, price respected this level, then gave a breakout above. After a retracement, again price continued, came down again, visiting this same level. Market respected once again. Down respected twice. Then after the breakout, after retracement, okay. So there are probabilities that the market might once again respect this. Okay. So I already told you, traders, don't expect any big movement. Okay. Now as you can see, this is the swing. So there's a probability this is the 60% level and this is the 70% optimal level. So market can go up, again come down. Okay, but for buying, if you want to get involved in buying, so you need to wait for this retracement. Okay, so selling, traders, as you can see, selling is risky as of now. Okay, selling is super risky. I've already shown what's happening at the time frames. As you can see, bullish weekly, in bullish in daily. So 4 hour and 15 minutes is bearish. Okay, so these two are bearish, and rest 5 minutes is also bullish. Okay, traders, 5 minutes is also bullish. This analysis is for today. Okay, as per now, 18th. Okay, valid for 18th US session. Okay, so now I'll be ending this stream within 5 minutes. Okay, traders, so if you have any comments, please let me know. Any doubts, any queries, please let me know. So again, I'll try my best to cover the FOMC minutes. So if 10-15 members are active, then we will definitely FOMC. Okay, so we'll cover the FOMC. So make sure you join our Telegram channel. So whatever in between happening over here until this retracement, you will get trapped. Okay, you will get trapped. Make sure you don't get trapped in the region. You can see same way level is important. A simple breakout level, this simple breakout level. This way you can find demand. Okay, so if you know the market structure, this way you can find the demand. Now this is for high as of now printed. Okay, so market can anytime, because this is not enough retracement. This is not enough retracement. Retracement be like this. This is not enough retracement. Market can go once again upside. Okay, making new high only for this swing. Okay? This is a 5 minutes. This is a fractal swing. Okay, all time high again falling towards its zones. Okay, so there are fib levels. There are fib levels. You can cover your fib levels and you can find some other confluences here. Okay, like some moving averages. You can find other confluences in this range. Okay, so don't worry, traders. From tomorrow onwards, market will be super crispy with our analysis. You will have no problem trading. Okay, be ready to start making profits. We will be starting our stream early. Okay, the pre-US session. We will be covering the whole US market. Make sure you join our Telegram channel link. US session is open. Okay, so US market is open already, but we we didn't saw any moves, major moves. Okay, so because as you can see, traders have the FOMC. So until then, market is undecided. Market is undecided, and market is in between the optimal. Market is in between the average zone. Okay, in the average zone. This zone is not for buying, not for selling. Okay, this zone, this particular zone, this zone is not for buying, not for selling. Okay, so you don't get involved in this. If your analysis is like bullish, okay, so you can go with this swing. Okay, so this is the swing, carry this structure. Okay, you can search for buy entries from here. Okay, traders, so maybe the market comes towards the optimal entry zone. Remember that because we have the upcoming news event, so market will be trapping. Okay, market will be trapping. Now what market is doing? Market is simply expecting 60%, 70%. That's it. 60%. Okay, so the market is respecting this. That's it, traders. Nothing else. And if you want to involved in selling, so once again I'll explain you for selling. This is the swing, 15 minutes. This is the higher high. Between that we are involved. Suddenly we got change of character here. Change of character. This was the last swing which created this low. Got a change of character. So now we are bullish in the 5 minutes time frame. Get with us. We are bullish in the 5 minutes time. As per 15 minutes, as you can see, this retracement. If 15 minutes is followed, then definitely this is going to break. This low is going to be broken. Okay. And if uh, weekly and daily bullish. Okay, so the big time frames are both bullish. And let's have a look at the daily candle. So as you can see, traders, daily candle is kind of a bullish, indicating buyers. Okay, so very much possibility that make a bullish move. Okay, in this US session, that's a possibility. Yeah, market is holding this level. I have already explained you what are these levels. Okay, so why market is holding this level, the daily and the weekly time frame. Okay, so I have explained you each and everything. Okay, traders, market is holding good. Yeah, by looking at this candles, we can assume that market can make bullish move. Okay, continuing this. If that's the case, then definitely market is okay following this structure. Okay, but 15 minutes sell already. 4 hours is also sell. If the market is following the bullish pattern, here optimal it can go boom. Okay. And if the market is breaking this, then wait for retracement. Okay, so after this breakout, don't don't get involved in selling level. Okay, please, if you watch me with full trust, that is why I am also giving my best, I am also giving my 100%. Okay, so so you don't lose any money. Okay, traders, that is why I want to do the best for you, and I am giving my best. Okay, so don't worry, traders, just follow trades with risk management. Okay, already you can read the disclaimer. Please trade with risk management. Okay, as you can see, these are the two selling. If there's a possibility, okay, so we don't think one side. Okay, so we don't think one side, we also think other side. If this candle keeps continuing, big bullish candle, so we got little to no big 70% probability that candle will, okay, and the other probability is candle will reverse. Okay, traders, and the third probability is the candle will be consolidating, and because we have a beautiful red folder new FOMC meeting, so our expectations are high. Okay, so you got the scenario. So our expectations are high. So again, I have already explained to traders this. If you want to get involved in the buy, don't get involved here. Already if it makes a new high, then continue, then you mark the full swing, 5-minute swing, then you watch for the swings levels. Okay, this is the confluence level I have drawn. Watch for the Fibonacci levels. Okay, watch for the Fibonacci levels, and you do your extra analysis, whatever you want, your extra analysis. Okay, and be ready. If you don't want to trade today, you can wait until tomorrow. So tomorrow we cover each and everything, starting from the market structure, supply, demand, each and everything. Everything I'll put on everything. Okay. Okay, so this is the scenario. So as you can see now, it's 7:46, 12:30. We have the 12:30 a.m. This is my IST timing, so you can check Forex Factory for your time zone. So as per my time zone now, it's 7:47. So let's consider 8, 10, 11, 4.5 hours. Okay, so I have 4.5 hours. So 4.5 hours, 4.5 hours. Now traders, as you can see, 1 hour 15 minutes, 4 candles. Okay, 4 the 16, so 17 to 18 candles we have in 15 minutes. Okay, so that way you can calculate and you can always predict the market. Okay traders, so I'm closing the stream. Okay, so all the best for you, and I will try my best cover the FOMC minutes. So make sure you join our Telegram channel. So there I'll be, if you vote, if there are enough votes, then definitely I'll be covering the FOMC minutes. Okay traders, so I have shown you each and everything. So till then, peace out. I'll catch you